Hey girl, hey, like, hey, I know you see it, hey, y'all, this wig is so bomb, y'all. Like, she feeling herself or whatever, she feeling herself or whatever. Y'all see me? Y'all, this has to be my #1 wig Wednesday thus far. But yeah, if you are new to the channel, to my Wig Wednesdays or whatever, welcome. Wig Wednesday is basically about helping each other out. I help you save those coins and help you slay and be cute and get all the guys and nah. And you help me by subscribing so you don't miss another upload. Yeah, and if you don't subscribe and you here, and I know you here because you saw this picture on the thumbnail and this hair is cute or whatever, you fake if you don't subscribe. Don't come get my tips and my wig and how I do it or whatever and don't subscribe. Yeah, fake, and I don't want you here. But yeah, I'm not gonna hold y'all up because y'all, this wig is the best wig I've had on this channel thus far. I'm just saying it, like, this is my favorite one. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get ready to do it. Make sure y'all follow me on my social media, whatever. Subscribe.
Alright, y'all, so this wig is from Friday Night Hair. I just love it, y'all. So the hair, of course, did come pre-plucked, 2 clips at the top, 1 at the bottom, adjustable strap, and it also came with an elastic band to help the wig stay secured on your head, sis. Y'all, it was pre-plucked. The density of this wig is amazing. Only thing I did was just add extra edges, baby hairs or whatever. It already came with enough baby hairs, y'all, but I'm just extra. I like a little more. All I did to the wig, y'all.
Hey girl, hey. Y'all, I am so excited about this wig this week, y'all. When I tell y'all, only thing I've done was taking it out the package, combed it out, and that was it, y'all. It already came with baby hairs, as you guys saw from when I unboxed it or whatever, or took it out the packaging, y'all. But I just added additional baby hairs because I like a little more or whatever. But y'all, it comes the way you need it to come, y'all. And this wig so far, the texture, it feels nice. It doesn't feel synthetic. It doesn't look like it's gonna tangle easy. Now I know that it's not 100% human hair, but y'all, this wig feels good, y'all. I'm normally in my Wig Wednesdays, I'm like, if y'all want to buy the wig is in the description box below. But for this wig, y'all, for my beginners who really don't know how to do or customize any kind of wigs, y'all need this wig. Now I'm saying this before I try it on because I don't know how I'll feel once I put it on, but as of right now, y'all, so far so good. She's looking like she's gonna be my favorite wig. So I'm not even gonna ramble that much because I'm so ready to go ahead and try this wig since it already came pre-made for me. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and slap her on. Schwarzkopf, whoever that is. As much as I use this stuff and put this in my videos, y'all need to hit your girl up. Send some coins my way.
Make a move on, and if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Ooh, y'all. Friday Night Hair. They messed up when they made this. Real sleek, real cute. Y'all, I ain't even done getting this wig together, y'all, and she's with it. Let me finish getting this wig together, do my edges or whatever, add some makeup to my parting. Only reason I'm adding makeup to my parting is because y'all see, it's my fault, y'all. I don't let my wig cap slide back a little bit, so as y'all can see, my wig cap stopped right there. But it has nothing to do with the wig still bomb. I'm just gonna add some makeup right here just so the whole part is the same color, y'all. But that's my mistake, but I don't feel like taking it off and redoing it, so I'm just gonna add makeup. All right, y'all, so I am done doing my edges. I just put some makeup in the parting. I used my Trusty Dusty Anastasia contour kit, and I used this shade right here, and this is the medium to tan palette if you guys are interested in what I put on there, y'all. So that's what color I put to help match better with my skin tone. Of course, you use what works for your skin tone and your scalp and all that. But anyways, that's besides the point, y'all. I am in love with this wig, y'all. Yes, Friday night hair. Like, Friday night hair. This is gonna be Monday night hair, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday night hair, like every day of the week. Y'all, I would just keep buying this same wig if I didn't have to do a wig Wednesday for y'all every week. I just keep buying the same wig and just wear this same wig over and over, like, for the rest of my life. See how I'm running my hair, y'all? With them other synthetic wigs, like, even straight out the pack, like, you can't even run your hand through it because you do get a little kinks and kingles and all of that good stuff, y'all. This hair is not like that. It's not human, but it can't be synthetic either. Like, what is it? Yes. This has to be #1. So y'all, this wig is pretty long. It stops right under your boob, so it's a good length, y'all. You got me looking like, dang. I ain't got nothing to say. Like, the wig speak for itself. I ain't got nothing else to say. Alright, y'all, so that's pretty much it for this Wig Wednesday, y'all. As y'all can see, she popping, like, yes. I'm in love. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. Like, don't y'all want to see this wig on, like, Instagram or, like, Snapchat? Don't y'all want to see this somewhere else too? Like, this wig is so bomb. Like, you just gotta follow me everywhere so you can just keep seeing this wig, just so you can get the wig too and you can be slaying too, sis. Like, follow me on all my social media. You real if you do. But yes, y'all, don't forget, once we get to 10K, we will be doing a wig giveaway. So don't forget to continuously share. Don't forget to tell your friends, families, uncle, family members, church members, associates, co-workers, all of that good stuff. Like, make sure y'all tell everybody about these Wig Wednesdays, because you could be the lucky winner of one of these wigs, y'all. One of these wigs. So yeah, don't forget about that. Once we get to 10K, there will be a wig giveaway. And yes, ma'am, like, thank y'all so much for rocking with me, tuning back in for another week. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss another video with your girl. Yeah. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Later.
Every time I want to do, promise in a time when you gotta She was wider to my gypsy girl, something to myself. She was wider, keep me money on my place. She looking on my eye order. She was wider, keep me moving so quick, you never see her coming.
She wants to wonder.
She and me, yeah. Now so me say.
She wants to wonder, want get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane. Red Cross, baby, come to my aid. Shorty said